Yeah, we left him. That'd be probably kind of hilarious. We're live now.
Go ahead.
And a new. And a new.
Might want to turn that down just for the.
Yeah, that was my phone. Paper Moon from Soul Eater, opening 2. Yeah. Oh, the classics. Anyway.
Okay, I'm at the ring.
Here, 1 second. I need to get this last cannonballs. Wait. What the hell is this carcass? Oh wait, no, that's broken ship.
And we are live with some Sea of Thieves here, gentlemen. As Val has recently gotten it because of me. Yes.
Why is it dark out? You know how I don't like the dark.
It's
nighttime. I
nighttime.
don't like the dark either, dude.
It's nighttime.
It's nighttime, yeah.
And besides, I don't understand why you guys are scared of the dark. I'm more afraid of what lies in it.
I'm gonna go
Please
out of my
don't.
bed.
Here's the thing.
Little bitch.
You are not going to bed at the middle of the night, alright? You could be attacked by skeletons, or other pirates, or parrots.
Or the gun barrel skeletons that
parrots.
kept murdering me every goddamn game that we've been. Like 20, 30 goddamn times. Oh, here's also check the cameras
you got 10 seconds before I finish lifting the anchor and we set sail.
Wait, let me do a running start. 3,
5, 4,
Try to hop on the board.
3, 2, 1.
Yes!
There you go. Okay, I'm at the helm. Taylor Valentine has just lifted the anchor, and we're off.
And the captain is hiding in his quarters like the little bitch that he is.
Yes,
Exactly.
clearly.
Yeah.
Pyro, give me, hop in the crow's nest and give me the SRS. Who's on navigation?
I'm on navigation.
Val
We're heading south.
Okay, thank God I turned it all the way left, otherwise we would have hit that.
We'd be heading straight south. Right to Tri-Rock Island. Move a tad bit to the right.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm doing, I'm going.
And now for dramatic flair.
Okay, Pyro, make sure to just
There's no rocks
stay
at all
like
near any of us.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, there's no rocks in front of us.
The one thing, at the front
And
of
if
the
you,
wall, it's to our left.
cause Evan to crash the ship, Pyro, I'll vote to kick you in the brig.
Cap,
Let's hear this,
overboard.
Tim. Remember what happened yesterday. You have no actions towards that after you guys left me on an island with treasure.
Evan, a little bit more to the right. We're gonna want to go a little bit southwest.
That's left.
Okay.
Number 2.
Yeah, no, I know. I'm trying to make sure I don't beach this thing. Yeah. Or would you rather I beach it? Because that worked out so well the first time. No, don't, do not do that. Oh, fuck.
Too late.
You idiot. So did you want us to head northwest, dumbass?
We're right here. Tri-Rock Island.
Oh.
It's literally to our left.
Oh, okay.
That's why Tokyo drifted.
Okay, okay.
And Tim shot himself out of a cannon.
That's mine.
He actually hit it. He actually hit the island, so I'm not really that concerned. Private Valentine, please lift the anchor. Please lift the anchor. Do not, dude. Please lift the anchor. We're gonna get closer.
Pyro, get down here and help me lift anchor.
Do I have to?
Yes.
Yes, you have to. Get out of the crow's nest. We're land ho.
Fine.
Well, land somewhere.
Yeah.
Just be careful of the rock to our side. As soon as we raise this, we're gonna flow a bit, then drop anchor again.
Yep. Well, I'm moving all the way to the left, so the wind catches us. Okay, there we go.
Watch out, there's suicide skeleton exploder things there.
Okay, I'm not
Val,
going on
see if
that
you
island.
can get on your little sniper rifle and... Pyro,
Yeah,
we're ready to drop anchor.
Alright, hold on. Do not drop anchor yet.
No. I said get ready to drop anchor. Okay. That's close enough, really, but I just didn't... Yeah, we're close enough.
I'll be on Pride Rock.
I'll be on top of the, what's called our thing and just... I'm not going near where those skeleton barrels are at.
Yeah, I just didn't want...
too many times. With their hands. And Davy Jones Stalls make $20. He hasn't returned them. He lost the treasure. I mean, he lost the game of chess, and he owes me it.
He lost a game of chess.
Why do I feel like What do I feel like if like me and Val ever died? It'd be like that scene from what is it, Bill and Ted's Bogus Journey, where we have to play death for our souls.
Well, we weren't playing for our souls. It was a Tuesday night, and we were playing with everybody else. Let's go trying to murder BCs.
Okay, okay. Did you get a map, Mr. Valentine?
Yeah, I got a map. I got him.
Okay.
I need to get. Well, that's what I'm trying to find out, but skeletons keep on brewing and interrupted my map time.
Wait, do we have the map?
Oh, okay.
Oh, we do.
I do.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna go to the top of this rock and find the right formation here.
Actually, where's
also,
the rock?
Well, it's a small island, so we should be able to find it.
Oh, I know. I need to see the.
Where's the big rock? No.
And these two barrels right here, right where I'm standing.
Oh, careful, skeleton. Oh, suicide.
Where?
There you go. Got him. Got him.
This fucking cat.
Yard, the cat be dead.
Yes, the cat's gonna get stuck in a fucking can, and I'm gonna shoot him out into the fucking sea. Watch as fucking sharks eat him.
Watch the shark jumps out like a fucking
sneak therapy.
Oh. Ah. Yes, I do think
Me thinks
therapy now.
you think I need therapy? No, I just need to get rid of the cat. Difference.
Wait, it's complete. Okay. Where the hell's this fucking chest? Seriously, I'm actually wondering.
Over here.
Val has it.
Wait, really?
Oh, you found it? Oh, okay.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, we have to find
it. That's Pyro. That's Pyro. I thought that was Val for a second. Sweet. All right. Everybody, back to the ship.
Ooh, Seafarer's chest. Not the best, but hey, we got one.
Hey, it's a chest, man. That's more than we can say every single time. Last time, me and what's his name? Don got a chest. Fucking what is it? Like we stacked a bunch of them, right?
Oh yeah.
And fucking we stacked like at least 5 chests, and then we got attacked by a fucking skeleton ship. Oh god.
That guy was
Seems
there
like
when
every.
that happened.
Yeah.
Was I? Yeah, it was.
Oh.
Yeah, but what about that time? What about that time we were playing in that?
Oh, when we were harassed.
Oh god, that was such an annoying game. Cause this game is fun.
I'm gonna put the chest below deck.
Yeah, put it below deck in the corner. That's what we usually do. Okay.
We know it's a pirate game, but still, being harassed.
Yeah, no, there's
how
do I
drop the chest?
I believe you can just hit B. Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Trying to make sure we don't have any unwelcome people in the area, which I see clear.
I'm gonna propose another voyage.
Okay. Putting the cannonballs where they should go. Keeping the bananas. Okay. Okay. Let's propose another voyage, Private Valentine.
Already did.
He's not a private.
1 second.
He's the second. He's the first mate.
Hey, I'm Colonel Cupcake. To you, sir.
Yes. I'm the goddamn captain of this ship, and you'll call me sir.
All right then, sir. Please hold still.
Suck my dick, sir.
Okay.
Please hold still while I shoot you.
Everybody call Mr. Musha Musha.
Aye, he beat him. He beat him, the bluntest of the 7 seas.
Oh come on! You're really gonna shoot at me for that?
But seriously, we need one more person to propose.
Hey, 1 second. Let me. I already accepted it. I'm just bringing in the dog.
There we go.
No, he was talking to me.
Ooh, we got 2. Alright, I'll be down in the map room if anybody needs me to locate our treasure.
You and Don always seem to be like our little freaking navigators.
Alright.
Alright, okay,
Pyro,
so we're gonna head southwest. And it's right next to
Yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna spin the ship. Alright, Pyro, I need you to get on the sail, and I need you to turn them.
Yeah, well, I already have the helm already pointing starboard, so as soon as the anchor comes up, it's gonna
where, left or right? Oh no, Tim's doing that one.
Right.
So I'm doing this one.
We want to go right.
Because we want to like drift the ship and please.
Actually, hold on. Hey, look, if you get off the wheel, and just take out your spyglass.
The helm.
Yeah. Look off to the right. You can see an island with pillars straight to the sky, and like bridges in between.
Yeah, I see that. Okay, that's where we're headed. Okay.
Yeah, that'd be our destination, our first one. We got 2 treasures.
Okay.
Okay, I think we're good.
Okay, well, guys, get ready for a rough voyage because we're gonna get a storm on the way there.
Yeah, 1 second, we're gonna move these.
Alright, in that case, then I'm gonna get my cup of damn souls.
Damn it, you're gonna get drunk
Okay.
right now.
Damnation.
Oh god.
Yeah, turn it.
Okay.
Alright, keep going, keep going.
Yeah, it's already pointing starboard now.
Alright,
Should the
stop.
navigator be drunk?
No.
Navigate.
Yes.
As long as you can navigate, I don't give a shit.
Alright, more souls for me.
But also, Val, be careful because when you're navigating, you're also basically gonna be below deck patching shit. So get some planks in your inventory.
Already way ahead of you.
Oh, yeah, dude,
I also got me 5 bananas.
Helping Captain Musha. Musha,
Bananas.
4 bananas. I ate one.
Okay, calm down there, Liam. Okay, heading right, heading starboard. Okay, slowly. Oh, damn it!
I
Did not want that to happen. So it was gonna.
Both of you guys go and
everybody.
make sure there's no holes.
Okay, Tim, get below deck and.
I'll be open.
Get below deck and.
We'd be taking on water.
The damage. Yeah, okay, plug the hole then.
What do you think I'd be doing?
Maybe somewhere you're staying and I'll plug them in. You know, just in case, I'm gonna go down and just make sure.
Pyro, I'm using a hammer, not a sniper rifle.
We got skeletons on the right side to us. I have exploding barrels. Snipe them off.
I'm about a quarter of a way into my cut. Why do you people...
Oh, god damn it, what the hell?
Turn!
Damn it! Oh, what the hell happened? Okay.
What did we get? Where?
Like
when, or where did we get hit?
There. Yeah, there we go. It's probably earlier. Fuck. Okay.
No,
Val, I need you to go all the way starboard.
Oh,
You got stuck.
Yeah,
I am not that drunk.
And I'm pointing back to straight.
I don't know why.
Actually. Are they back to straight now? Good.
Yeah, they are.
Alright.
Okay, guys, we're gonna be heading through a rough storm, guys.
And then we get more
cannons just so we don't
change our trajectory to southwest.
Southwest?
And head west. Yeah, head southwest for about half a click and then go south.
You're a slurring captain. He is too drunk to continue. Oh shit. Oh shit.
You want to fight?
Bad.
I will come up there.
Okay, okay. Be careful. Okay, guys, everybody be careful. Because fucking...
Oh yeah, the lightning.
We're heading into a storm.
Head south.
Well, I can't exactly tell the direction right now.
Keep going north, we're fine. I don't see anything at the moment.
Okay. Okay, Tim, see if you can stay... Oh, shit.
Also, we got hit by lightning.
See if you can stay down. Tim, see if you can stay down there and see if we're taking on water.
Oh. I'm weighing anchor.
Why?
No, do not drop the anchor. Do not drop the anchor.
In the island.
Oh shit.
You're welcome.
Behind us. There's one.
Get down here now.
What are you talking about? We're about to hit the... Oh, whoa. What are you talking about? We're about to hit the island.
We're taking on water.
Oh shit. We're going
Fuck. Plug the holes, damn it.
See shit.
This is why you gotta be careful in a fucking... I didn't loot. Oh, whoa, what the fuck? What the hell's hitting us? Keep patching the holes.
I'm trying to find the hole.
I got my light. Remember you said you have stuff with light. This is just...
I don't know what you're talking. Well, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not seeing an island anywhere up here.
Yeah. No, we hit something. What was on that?
No, it's probably just the rough seas.
Wait, are you looking? Look south.
Oh, I did.
Okay, seriously. Alright, we gotta wait. Okay, Tim patched the hole. Pyro helped me place it. We gotta get out of here because we're constantly taking hits.
Yeah, it's the storm. It's the storm. That's what it is. Okay. Okay. Val, see if you can raise anchor.
Yeah, we're raising it.
Already doing that.
Okay. Tim, try to manage the damage.
I'm doing that. What do you think? I'm not letting my ship sink like a stone.
Okay. Well, because you know that you're gonna go down with it.
Damn, what the hell is attacking us?
I have no fucking idea. Basically, while you're in a storm, you take passive damage. That's the way I understand it. After last time. We're barely moving now. Please tell me we're... Okay.
Okay, I feel like we're being shot at.
Okay, Pyro.
No, we're not.
Get Pyro. Like, everybody assess damage, because I'm like...
Oh, I see the island.
I see the island. We're near it, dude.
Yeah, I know, there's a small island there, but when Val said we were about to hit it, I didn't know what the hell he was talking about, because he was way off.
Was right on top of
it. Right now.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to... Close to an island. So I'm literally, like... Yeah, it's the...
So my reputation went up for some reason.
Come on! When I say go right, you go fucking...
Okay, I'm gonna go back helping them.
We're taking on water, Mr. Timmy.
No,
the seas appear to be angry, Mr. Timmy. I want my mommy, Mr. Timmy. Oh god. I'm trying to turn it right, but it
thirsty cat to me.
Okay.
Oh shit! God damn it! The seas, the waves are just making me move around.
Yeah. Like storms like this used to decimate ships.
Yeah.
Please tell me the storm is breaking.
It is.
Almost.
Not fast enough.
I see the sun. I see the sun.
Well,
oh boy. Okay, we're gonna have to make a U-turn because we're heading straight towards Crooked Masts.
I know we are at Crooked Masts. Okay. Now here's the thing. I'm gonna pull a U-turn. Do not drop that anchor. Do not drop the anchor. I know how to drift the ship correctly. Okay, just.
And don't tell me.
Like when Val dropped the anchor the first time, I was worried that the mast would snap. Because I'm like, ugh.
Yeah, that was one of the things when we did the December 2018 update. That would actually happen. The
Val, get on the marker for me.
What?
Okay, Val, get on the navigation, please.
I am. The islands are right ahead of us.
Okay.
All cannons are loaded, so if we get into any shenanigans, we can fire back instantly. Not have to worry about reloading.
Okay,
I will now appease the sea goddess.
How the hell are you gonna do that?
He's gonna beat it off and then let his jism hit the water.
Oh, the music.
The only way I know how.
Wait, I can upgrade this one.
Okay.
Where's my drum?
Okay, where is the island? Where's
to the left.
Island? I'm actually wondering. Okay, to the left? Okay. Shark Tooth Key. That one over there?
Yeah, the one that we just
passed.
passed.
That was a small one.
Okay, yeah, no, I'm turning it. Yeah, while we were in the storm, I tried to go right, but it like I
wait,
wouldn't. Oh no! Oh, you idiot!
It's back at Shiver's retreat.
Oh, now we gotta go rescue. Yeah, we're gonna go a rescue mission now.
No, who fell overboard?
Tim.
No, someone launched himself. Tim launched himself out of a cannon like a dumbass. Okay, turn it back. Turn.
Wrong island.
It says Shark Tooth Key. We're supposed to be
here,
right?
No. Take your map. Take your eyes off the map 1 second.
Yeah, I saw something shining over there.
In a bottle.
Oh god, not again. Not fucking again.
So, merchants land, galleons brave outposts by 6 p.m.
Another storm. We cannot take that again.
Oh, it's currently the 5th, and it's currently 6 o'clock. So we got 5 days.
Okay, do me a favor, Val, or Pyro.
Oh, what the?
Oh, release. What happened? No, just go. No, don't drop the anchor. Yeah, apparently when I say, can you do me a favor, that evidently means drop the anchor. Is that what I'm getting here?
That happens most of the time. You can't blame me. You always say drop the anchor.
No, I was gonna tell you to release the sails. How about when I say, can you do me a favor, you wait for further instructions? Jesus fucking Christ.
Fine.
You know, I should make you walk the plank there, Mr. Arden.
You shot yourself out of a cannon, Tim. You have no placehold in terms of who walks the plank.
And that, you're supposed to be the captain. Oh, Doc, seriously.
Okay, anchor's
not a storm. Okay, good. At least the sails. We're gonna drop it again in a minute. We're gonna drop it again.
I was looking for him.
We have to rescue Tim. Okay, drop the anchor. Drop the anchor now.
Tim's on the ship.
Oh, okay. Then never mind then. Okay, Valentine, get on navigation, please.
Already there.
Tim,
make a U-turn.
Okay. Fuck, hey, Doc, seriously, that was way harder than
Mr.
Make a U-turn going left.
Going left.
We're in food right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where are you?
Well, like I'm literally gonna have to do it right because if I try to turn it now, it'll literally, we'll hit the rocks.
Make sure they're loaded.
Alright, well, as soon as you finish turning, you're gonna just head north, and you're gonna go towards the island on our right.
Okay.
It'll be called Sugar
Just
Retreat.
so
I'll be right back, I'm gonna get food. So I'm hungry.
Okay.
That make your seat better like this.
Yeah, a little bit.
Because the thing I tend to do is not to put the sails a little bit too much down. Because this way you can actually see a little bit better and you get a little bit more air so inside when we get blown by the wind.
Okay.
It at least gets a little bit heads up.
We wanna go as fast as possible, that's the thing, though.
Oh no, we lost the wind too. We're also against the wind.
Okay.
But yeah, if we were with the wind, I would say to Pyro to drop the sails, and you just hear, and then we would just basically do a wheelie. I've seen it done.
That's another island.
Yeah. Said to head to that one.
Oh, I see the island that you're talking about now. North.
Yep.
Or
it's calm like this.
Yeah, northeast.
Where's me fishing rod? Mr. Arden!
Yes, I'm front, but...
Where's me fishing rod?
You don't remember? You got taken by the Kraken last time.
So that's
I got taken by the Megalodon last time. We've never faced the Kraken. That's one disappointment I'm actually a little frustrated by. We've never fought the Kraken.
It was not fun.
Yes.
Oh, you guys went.
Remember Tim?
Yes. Yeah, one version.
Just me and Tim alone on the smaller ship. And it was not fun.
Oh, the swoop.
Yes.
Worst idea of ever of all time.
Cracked.
And I got taken into the suction cups, which was not fun. Ugh. All those suction cups. Ugh.
I've seen enough hentai porn to know where that's going.
Okay.
And then I went to David Jones' locker. He owes me money. You bastard.
Okay, we're coming up on it.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't
see
drop
where my light is.
Okay. Okay. Drop the sails first.
Full sail. Alright. Mr. Arden, full sail.
I'm already doing it.
Full sail is this.
Yep. Raise the sails.
Alright, food be on the skillet and I'll be back.
Hey, we're gonna make it.
Okay. Okay, now
Where the hell
now drop the anchor.
Near the island.
Okay, we're at this way.
Now drop the anchor.
Oh, now drop it.
Well, because you want to raise the sails first, then you want to drop.
I'll be right back. Just gotta make sure.
I jumped island, so.
Oh,
of course we are.
Banana. Ooh, I found a. No way. Venom ball.
The
first animation insidious poison.
I'm filling the hole right now.
Okay, fuck.
What do you mean the ship is sinking?
I filled the hole now.
In a bottle.
A whispered secret has been told on shipwreck bay lines. Hidden gold.
Alright,
we're not leaving yet.
Careful, careful! Val behind you, behind you! Keep running, keep running!
That's why I ran towards the water. I got plenty. Potassium.
That one's just the glitch
Mr.
now.
Taylor, is Mr. Valentine okay?
Yes, he is. Little singed, but alright, Captain.
I had burnt my ass off.
What?
Captain, I see a rowboat.
I'm going for it. That's what I've
before
Mr. Arden had the panic attack about the hole in the ship.
I didn't even have a panic attack. I just said we have a hole in the ship.
Yeah. Well, he didn't have a panic attack. He patched it. So
yeah, I patched it.
What a good crew does.
It was like, why is there water here? I was like, oh, we're sinking. Oh.
I found a chest.
Oh, sweet.
And
it's not the one that we came here for, though. Can you take it?
Oh, okay.
This isn't the chest we're looking for. Yeah. Star Wars reference.
Yeah,
get back to the ship.
More like our chest is in another island.
Found the chest.
There we go, Mr. Good on you, Mr.
Can I get someone with the lantern? It's kind of hard to see.
Yeah, where are you at?
Yeah. Hang on. I got it.
Where are you at? Oh. Here you go.
I believe it'd be another seafarer's chest. Stop using the strobe light feature. It is literally making me hurl.
I'm sorry.
Jackson, where's the rowboat?
Almost out.
Ooh, it's a castaway's chest.
Oh, wow, nice.
Okay.
Okay, well.
Oh, I think this is tier 2.
Personally, I think we should ride out the storm here. That's just me.
No, I think I go with you. Yeah, because we need more planks. I only got a couple right now at the moment.
Which ones? Okay, so which of the 3 cannonball barrels is going to be designated as our special munitions?
The bottom left.
Wait,
I have a little bit of ammunition reorganization later. Actually, I'll be doing that now.
Okay. God damn. Yeah, you didn't finish cleaning this thing out, but it's fine.
Yeah, it's part of that bleach. All right. Now, where's the? All right, the bottom right is the regular.
I fed a pig with a banana.
Good job.
You fed a pig.
I want to know how much of this is just...
Yes. He was hungry. I was eating a banana and he took all my bananas.
Mr. Pyro?
What? What's the problem?
Okay, so I got good news and bad news.
What's the good news?
So the good news is
cabbage.
The seafarer's chest is tier 1, so that is a guaranteed good. That is guaranteed like common hull. This is common.
Okay, what is the bad news? What is
the chest we came here for is a castaway's chest, aka the worst chest in the game.
Ah, okay, that's fine.
Still a chest.
The seafarer's chest that you basically said not to go for and not to get me yesterday.
I want to know how much of this is just clipping textures.
We've got company, boys.
Also, I would not put the chests on the 3rd level because if the ship goes down and we want to save loot, rather than have it on the 2nd.
Get back here.
Okay, yeah, true. Sorry.
No, you're
sorry,
fine.
Force Rabbit.
I didn't know who put it there, so I just want to make a precaution that everybody knew.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go with that.
I'm honestly wondering how much of this is just clipping textures. I'm really wondering that. How much of it's clipping textures and how much of it is actually like chips.
Like maybe another 4 or 5 minutes. It should go away by now. You hear me, Evan?
Yeah. Okay.
Another 4 or 5 minutes.
Mr. Taylor.
Location.
Yes, Captain.
We'd be headed out in a few. But first.
And that was lightning.
Are you sure? Are you sure that's wise, Captain? I say we head away from the storm.
Yeah, same here.
I second that.
We should head. No, we should head. And the compass is turning in circles. There's a magnetism field here.
It's not a magnetism field, it's the wind.
Compass is turning to be blown by the wind. It is magnetism. There it goes.
No, the old
Davy Jones
Old style once
is
cooked.
returned.
Old style once cooked.
You want his money. They will not have it.
Well, he'll have his money, but come hell or high water. Now let's go, guys. The storm's upon us.
It's more of...
Art, raise the sails.
And wait. Lower the sails.
Yeah, lower the sails. Sorry. Lower the sails. Tim, Val, get up here and what is it? Pull anchor. We're off. I prefer not to get caught in this storm, so it's about to be a storm. The longer we're in it. Come on.
Where's Tim?
And we're off. That is a good question.
He's right here.
Thought he was okay, good. Pyro beat, well actually I can see out in front of me, so that's fine.
Yeah, I made sure of that, so you can should have at least some measure of sight.
Okay.
Do
we even named this ship?
It's called the SS Musha Musha.
Not called that.
No.
Tim will call it that. He knows what I'm trying to go for this. And they tried to just not to buy it. You know they want it.
Her name is the Lady Excellence.
Okay. Lady Excellence, okay, the Lady Excellence is taking some damage.
Lady Excellence has been slapped.
Not see this ship taken. I don't care what I have to do. Now start patching the holes and get the water.
Yep, already on it.
All hands on deck.
By the way, the ship should be getting real right downstairs.
There's no time for wetness jokes, Mr. Valentine.
I was being serious.
Yeah, because
Well,
you
that
get mold.
scares me even more, Mr.
If you
Valentine.
get mold on the ship, we're screwed. It's not a little ship.
Let's worry about that if we survive this, Mr. Art.
Fine, I'll be in with you.
Aye, Mr. Arden,
man,
we must survive our encounters with the water. And
Well, we're
Why
fine.
did you go from pirate to Scottish?
I don't know.
I've been singing regular voice right now for a while.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, that almost killed me. Or I could have got
Almost. You ain't dead yet. Start
That
getting
would
to
have
work,
killed me.
motherfucker.
Well, I would have had electricity powers. I would have been moon.
I don't suppose any of you
Shotgun,
remember
shotgun.
the island that looks like a bow and arrow.
Not really, Mr. Valentine. Not
But I do
really.
want to go there.
No, Mr. Valentine, no, we do not know what... Because I am
Well, we're out of the
currently
storm,
trying
gentlemen.
to- Why the frig is there water in the bottom of me hull?
You
There
should be
always will
getting
be
real
water.
wet downstairs. Well, part of that did you not understand? Okay, there we go. I found
Mr.
it.
Valentine,
Wait, is that it?
will walk the plank.
I will gladly shoot
Don't make
myself
it
out of
fun.
a cannon.
At this
Yeah,
point, I'm
we'll
just
leave you on
hoping I
that
can
island.
thread the needle. At this point, I'm just hoping I can thread the needle through these rocks.
You're good.
There's two big rock formations, and I'm trying not to
You're
crack.
good on the not crashing
Okay.
part. You're like
Good.
maybe 200 feet away from one and the other.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm legitimately just like checking every island, like every inch of that detail for each of them.
Okay.
So wait,
Jesus
this
Christ.
bow and arrow
I'm
island should
really-
be called Mr. Robin Hood. I mean, island.
You are not being called Robin Hood.
Not me, the island.
Val, look for safe port so we can drop off our loot.
Alright, well, let me get a repositioning of our current location. If
Okay.
we... Okay, there we go. Dragon Tooth Outpost. Head north.
Okay, we have to head north. Okay. It's gonna be a bit,
Mr.
but we'll start heading north.
Mr. Pyro,
Yes. North.
you be up in the
north.
crow's nest?
No, I'm in front of the ship.
Why are
Actually,
you
unless
in
he
front of
crashed
the
into
ship?
us. Unless he crashed
reposition-
into us.
I need someone to reposition
No,
the
I
sails.
say get up in the
Which direction?
The crow's nest.
And what happened? We have
Oh, the
another
crow's
right
nest.
answer, and then we need 3 people.
So right. There we go.
We're good. Go.
Thank you. Thank you. Not all the way. Not all the way right. Not all the way right. Just at an angle.
Well, I'm just reminding you of what happened last time. Took me 4 seconds before it fell.
Bullets.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good, Mr. Valentine.
Oh, this is what happens when you're using a weapon with the effective range.
Come on, come on, come on.
Actually, give me 1 second.
I'm worried about scraping. I'm worried about scraping those rocks.
Yeah, go a little bit left, like a lot.
Yeah, I know. We're good. We're good. Yeah. There.
All right.
We're good. We're good.
We're good. All right, now.
Yeah, we are good.
Mr.
Yeah.
Taylor, you want to go through those 2 rocks, right? Start turning right now.
No. We're gonna go around. I'd rather take a little bit longer, but be safer than to you know. Haste makes waste, Mr. Timothy. Or Captain.
Yes, I am called Captain. And if you make a crack about my height, Mr. Taylor, you'll lose your other eye.
Aye, Captain Crunch.
Calm down there. Calm down there, Mr. Captain. Plus, if you take my other eye, who will pilot the ship?
We consider ye Fruit Loops and abandoned.
I'd say you'd be up Shards Creek without a paddle, sir. Okay. Now, Mr. Navigator, Mr. Valentine, we going north by northeast or just straight north?
We'd be going north and to the west. You can probably see it on the left. Or someone can see it on the left.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Okay, north by northwest then.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Still trying to find this damn
It looks. Okay. Okay. Whew. This thing's being held by love, duct tape, and a lot of spit.
And
But
a couple
still
of
making.
nails and a bottle of rum.
Mine it's the
That-
rum.
that
We
bottle.
ran out.
And go. What do you mean?
God
mean
damn it,
we ran
Mr.
Where'd the rum
Valentine.
go?
Hey, you want me to
Why
be
is
my
the rum
best
gone? Why is the rum gone? Why is the rum gone?
Because you already needed to rave. Let it drink. Alright, we're at a rum.
Okay, Captain, get ready. Get ready to hoist the sails, Mr. Arden. Get ready to. Somebody get ready to drop anchor.
Will the captain please stand up?
Somebody drop anchor.
The captain is very, very, very drunk. I'm well into me cups.
That wasn't. That was not the ideal stop, but eh.
It's a stop.
Yeah.
Oh, the captain is fairly smashed.
Can I take a chest with me into the tunnel or into the cannon? No, I cannot.
Yeah.
Alright, well, time to use the plank what it was intended for.
Yep. Okay.
Well,
Yeah,
I thought
sorry I
the
didn't get
plank
us
was there
closer,
for-
but
I thought the plank was for this. Oh god, I am very drunk. Woo! Woo.
clearly.
This is.
Why is he a
Apparently the
captain?
captain has been
Whoa.
celebrating a little bit
Whoa.
early.
Yeah.
Oh, did you
No,
guys
I'm
get the
quite serious this
chest?
time. Why did we make him captain?
No idea.
I'm.
Okay,
Sober.
guys, did you guys already take the chest? The chests?
Yeah, I'm about to sell it.
I'm.
Oh, okay. Do we only have one?
No, we have three.
No, we've got more, Mr. Taylor. Come grab one.
Okay, okay.
Now where do I?
Okay, I'm actually wondering where they are. I'm actually wondering where they
Second,
are.
remember a
no.
second. Remember a
Over
second
there.
deck.
Okay.
I'll
Okay.
be on the
First
ship
one
just in
paid
case.
$223.
Oh wow, $3,000 now.
A captain
There's a
has
ladder
to have
right
a
here.
good cup.
You can go up ladders with the chest. I don't know how physics makes that possible, but all right.
Do you guys want to go on
Mr.
a bounty
Valentine,
hunt or continue treasure hunt?
Well, I was
Let's
gonna
go
end the
kill-
episode here, Mr.
Let's
Valentine.
go kill us
yeah.
some bad guys.
One thing.
After
Tim,
we end the stream.
the fact that you don't understand.
Mr. Valentine.
Your primary weapon has the effective range of much shorter than every other weapon in the game. Boom.
Mr. Valentine, where are you?
I've been getting the
And
bounties.
your leadership.
Where do I
We
drop
respect
this off,
leadership at all.
Mr. Evans?
Grenade act.
Over here, Mr.
Look for
Captain.
the sign with the key. It is the key to a sweet, sweet gold.
Damn,
And
the fact that
victory.
you didn't understand what reference I just made there.
There we go.
I'll be
Gold
sad
owner's
here.
reputation to 7.
That's 200 gold? I'm sad at
Yeah,
that.
they're only seafarers.
Not a lot of gold, but gold is only used for cosmetics anyway.
You see
Yeah,
that,
that's
but
more
like,
rum.
Oh, bullshit, or is he?
And why?
Okay, well, this
who
is-
took down me flag? Arden.
We never put it on!
Yeah, we never did
Okay,
put
well,
it
this
on.
has been sailing the
Yeah,
high
right,
seas
should
with
probably
these
put it
idiots,
back on.
with our new
Okay,
with our new
there we go.
shipmate
This is
Valentine, aka Dragoon,
I like it.
our captain, our de facto captain Timothy, aka Hot Swan, and Arden, our not really quite sure what he does, but
I demand
Sniper,
AKA
sniper
Pyro.
slash
And
basically the person that can let you get crashed.
Mr. Pyro.
What?
Why would you do that?
For the lulz.
We-
And also, this is the one that we need always. What? Tim! What'd you do with that flag? It's
No.
gray.
No.
Okay,
We
just to
are
wrap this up,
we
this has been
fly-
Skip Some Gaming. Thanks for joining in, and hopefully these guys will stop arguing in a matter of seconds.
Okay. And as always, if you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.